Good morning. So I'm going to go over how to do I'm going to do two. So construct a line segment and copy an angle. Copy a line segment and copy an angle. So first of all, you want to go here and you want to go to settings, okay? And you want to click on the box to not have the axis shown and also not to show the grid, okay? So then we have those two things off. And then so that's that part. Okay, and then we're going to construct our line segment. So we're going to go here to construct our line segment. And you can notice on this where we have the settings, you can also come here to do a color. I suggest you do a color, and you can also do it. This moves it so you can make the line thicker so it's easier to see. Okay, so I'm going to construct a line segment. We just put 2 points. Okay, and that's going to be, and then we bring it back. So notice we have to take and drag it back to make the segment. Okay, and it actually shows us how long our segment is. But what we want to do, so we're going to use a circle. So I'm going to undo that just so you can see those steps again. So we're going to come over here. We're going to do a segment. We're going to do 2 points. Okay, and then another point. Okay, and then I'm going to use the circle tool. Okay, circle the center through a point, and then we're going to take this and I'm going to make it, we're going to go here, make center through here. Okay, it's dashed. You can make it so it's a lighter dash, so that it's, and this is part of your construction. Okay, and we already know what the radius is, but if we didn't, we can come here, okay, to measure it. So we go here, okay, gives us our radius of the circle. Okay, so then we can do, now that we have this one, now we're going to come and I'm going to do a point anywhere else on here. So I'm going to do a point over here. Okay, and then we're going to do this one tool, circle center with the radius. Okay, and I'm going to come here. I'm going to enter. Everybody see this right here where it says 2 and 54 hundredths. So 2 and 54. Okay, again, that's the circle with the center radius. I click OK. It's going to make the circle for me. Okay, now I'm going to click on where I want to do a segment. Okay, click segment, and I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to do Westwood, so I'm going to do here. I put this center, it's going to go to the edge of the circle. Okay, and it is the same length. So F and G are congruent to each other. So that's how to copy a segment. Okay, if we need to save it when we come here, you can click on Save. Okay, and I can title it Copy a Segment. This is also to help you, everybody, with your project so you can save it. Okay, and you want to click on it. You can make it private or shared. It's totally up to you. And then you click Save. Okay, and then I'm going to come up here to the 3 lines. I'm going to click on New. So then I can copy the angle. Okay, so our steps for copying the angle is we're going to do copy angle. So we're going to do add a point. So we're going to start with a point anywhere that you would like. So like we could do it over here. Okay, and then I'm going to add a ray. So I'm going to add a ray. And then I'm going to add another ray. What I'm doing is I'm creating my angle. So I'm going to the same endpoint A. And we can put it anywhere we like. Okay. And then we're going to take and so we add the two rays. So now we are going to measure. So we're going to come here to the angle. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I want you to see that over here, so it gives you color. It also gives you this. We want to do 0 to 180. Okay, so you do want your angle between 0 and 180. If you ever need to go back, everybody, do you see this button? It goes back. So if you ever want to undo anything, you want to use that to have it go back. Okay, I'm going to set it. Okay, go here to the angle again. Angle. Remember, everybody, make sure it's on 100, between 0 and 180. And then what you do is you click the point. So you go B, A, C. Everybody, that'll help just so it goes inside here. Okay, so that's the measure of our angle. Okay, then we're going to add a ray, okay, for our first side. So I'm going to add a point any other place that I want to. I'm going to put a point here. I need to add a ray. So I'm going to add a ray. Just move it around. Okay, so we add a ray. Again, everybody keeps adding a ray, and I don't want that, so I'm going to go back. Okay, then we're going to click on this part. Okay, angle with a given size. So then we're going to click on this. Okay, and then we're going to add, so we add the ray of the first side, and then angle with a given side. So we want to 104.2 degrees. That didn't work. Yeah. So we have D. We need to add a ray. I'm going to click back here on D. Oh, we don't want that. Okay, then we click on this. Angle with a given size. And it is down here. It's like, why am I not seeing it? Hold on, everybody. I'm going to move this out of the way. All right, so angle with a given size. Select leg point, vertex. So leg point, vertex. Okay, and then it's going to give you an angle. So everybody make sure you're writing the steps. Oh, it sounds like this is, and you want to do it clockwise or counterclockwise. It's totally up to you. I'm going to do clockwise in this case. Okay, and I click OK. Okay, now then we add the ray for the second side. Okay. So we go up here, add the ray. So we click on D, E, and we've copied the angle. You got this, everybody. Again, remember, come up here. Okay, we can click Save. It's going to be copy and angle. And we click Save. Okay. Again, everybody, this step is important to remember for what you need to do for this. Okay, so that's this one. So we also need to do